Welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today I have about 10 individual photos that I want to make a video of. Now I could use a number of different programs, but instead I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way to create a video in just a few clicks using Canva. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I am here inside Canva. What I'm going to do is select videos and I'm going to choose a blank video. Okay, from here, if I wanted to, I could just upload those photos and create a video normally as I typically have in the past with Canva, but instead I'm going to try this option. You can see it over here to the left. It says generate videos instantly. All you do is upload your content, create a short description, and Canva will automatically create a video for you with music synced. So you can see in order to do this, you have up to 10 files that you can select. You need to select a minimum of 3 files, but I'm going to choose these 10 photos that I previously shared with you a second ago. Let me just go ahead and select all of them. Okay. Oh, looks like I'm at 10. Okay, now the next part is to describe the type of video that you want. So this is the type of video I want. I want to promote our back to school day at Gibson Elementary. So let me go ahead and select generate. Okay, so it looks like we're finished. Let's see what Canva was able to come up with. You can see that there's slides, text. It's kind of interesting that from my prompt, Canva was able to add some text that connects to what is in the photo. So obviously this is a picture of lockers. It was able to identify that, and it says time to find our lockers. Same thing over here. It could associate in this photo that there's maybe learning going on, and it added text that correlates with learning. So something that I think is kind of cool. You can also see right over here, 3 children hugging. It again was able to add text that correlated to that photo and mention something about making friends. All right, you can see a little about how this looks. Let's go ahead and push play. So this kind of gives you an idea of what the videos are like. You can see there's a transition, there's a little bit of motion in each photo, and of course they added text on each individual slide. Now of course, if there's something that I don't like about this video, which was automatically generated, it's going to be really easy to change. So let's go ahead and move that out of the way. Let me go ahead and take this text. Let's say I don't like this bright blue. I want a color that's a little bit more darker, maybe easier on the eyes. You can very easily change any of the colors on here. Fonts, I could get rid of this emoji if I wanted to. I could add more things on the slide. I can even get rid of this photo if I really wanted to. Same thing goes for the music. Okay, let's say I don't really like this music. No problem. It's very easy to change this in Canva. We'll start by just deleting this track, and then let's see, I'm just going to go over here to where it says audio. Let me preview one like this. If this is something that sounds good, let me go ahead and just drag that down. I'll pause that. I'm just going to add this right over here. And right now we've got a brand new soundtrack to our video. So not bad. So again, this is kind of like a first draft. It's not necessarily a finished video. It can be, but chances are it's not going to be 100% perfect, but hopefully it's close enough to save you a little bit of time. Think of this as maybe like a rough draft for a really quick project. I'm hoping that using this brand new feature in Canva will save you a little bit of time. And of course, once it's finished, you can easily select share, go to download, and then download this video in an MP4 format where you can upload it to a site like YouTube or anywhere else. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you like this kind of content, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. And as always, if you have any questions or any comments, leave them below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you so much and have a great day.